So first things first, I am going to put the date dots on the date covers, and then I'm going down into my bottom washi, of course, because this is a smaller planner, smaller than an EC. I have to cut down the washi a bit, or the bottom washi a bit. Now I'm just going into the headers, or no, not the headers, the date covers. Sorry, I always get that confused. I don't know why. And I started putting down the first three headers, but then this part always confuses me trying to space them out, and it's just so annoying that I really haven't gotten that down. But I did that first, and then I go into putting down the full boxes. So yeah, like I've mentioned before, because I'm using a plum paper planner that is lined, it doesn't have specific boxes for the stickers. It takes me a little bit longer to put down all the full boxes and headers. So I'm just deciding where to put all that stuff now. So originally I had put down those clear glitter overlay for the headers, but I didn't like how they were looking, so I eventually took those off and I continued to finish with the headers. And now onto my sidebar. I use this pretty rose gold foiled unicorn to put over the March calendar. I also went ahead and put down one of my first habit trackers, followed by a small washi strip that I had left over. And then I decided to remove that and use a different washi that I had left over. So I pulled everything off that I had already put down, and I needed to rework all of it. And as you can see, it took me some time to figure out which one I wanted to use, and I eventually stuck with the washi that had the words on it. I laid down the second habit tracker. So yeah, I laid down some more washi and this label that has reminders on it. And initially I had put down just the heart check flag. And then I moved on to putting another header for dinners and another check flag. But then I decided to put a piece of washi there, and a washi down towards the bottom. And then I eventually didn't like the flag there, so I saw that the kit had one of those Monday through Saturday full boxes, so I took off the checklist and put it on there. Moving on to Monday, the first thing is I put down this scallop label, and I put work followed by a little computer or a little sticker of a laptop. Then I finally opened up my Etsy shop, and unfortunately I haven't done anything much with it. I haven't been promoting it because this past week had been really busy. I also had a little bit of planning time, so I marked that. Then for the rest of Monday is my usual thing to do. We have swim class, and we have to take out the trash after when we get home from swim. Also, because it was our birthday week, there's an ice cream shop next door to my daughter's swim class place, so we went over to that, and I had myself a birthday Dole Whip float because they have those there. So yeah, I marked that the swim class with a little munchkin. Um, then moving on to Tuesday. Tuesday was really busy for me at work. I had emails and phone calls and dealing with just a whole bunch of things. I also put down a label that said that I needed to order the coloring books for my daughter's birthday party. So I spent most of Monday doing that. I'm sorry, most of Tuesday doing that. Also on Tuesday, I needed to go buy piñata and the candies to fill it up with. So I marked the label that we went to go do that. Um, and then for whatever reason, I am jumping around here. I decided to label that it was my daughter's second birthday on Thursday the 14th. So I went ahead and labeled that. And then I don't know what I'm currently doing right now. Eventually it'll show up. We go back over to Wednesday apparently. I believe I fill in the fact that my sister-in-laws left for Europe. They are currently in Paris as of today. They were in Ireland and London, and I'm so jelly and sad that they went without me. Not that they're watching this, but I miss you guys. Come home. I also wanted to mark that my daughter slept over at her grandma's house because the girls were leaving for Europe and we knew she was going to miss them. So I wrote that down, but I put it on the wrong day. She actually spent the night on Tuesday, and then I realized that later and I switched it over. So yeah, then I also marked with an emoji that my husband and I got into a small little argument regarding birthday party planning. It was just an annoying spat that happens every single time. So yeah, I just wrote that down because sometimes you just need to write things down. So here we are on Thursday. I wanted to mark down that we had 2 bill dues for this day. We needed to pay our mortgage and our current new car, which is a van. So I wrote that down. Again, with the putting things down out of order, I guess I thought I needed more space to write this down. The first thing I noted was that my hubby helped with the laundry today, and I thought that was something special because it's not something he always does. So I wrote that down. Also, I wrote down that we had more party prep that day. We needed to go buy some things at the local grocery store, so I noted that down. So yeah, I went back to Tuesday and noted that we had picked up all the party printed items that I sent to be done, the coloring book and the banners. So then on Wednesday that I had time to put those coloring books together, I did. Then Friday, as per usual, I had to do payroll, so I used a payday sticker from the kit. Also, Queer Eye came out, and I noted that down because it came out on my birthday, so yay! Then I put a note down there that it's my mom's birthday also, so I put that down. Then I moved over to Saturday. Saturday is my cleaning day because, working Monday through Friday, then get home late, you don't want to clean. So on Saturday is my cleaning day, and I did a lot of cleaning that day. The kitchen, I put away I organized things in my kitchen cabinets. I fold and put away laundry, and the girls helped me put away their toys. Then the girls had a semi-decent long nap time, so I wrote that down as well. Then for the remainder of Saturday, because we were going to have my daughter's birthday party at my mother's house a few towns away, I decided to give the girls bath time early because we were going to leave our house. So I did that. I gave them a bath. I also, after that, I did a quick trip to Ulta and go get my eyebrows done. And then we left to my mom's house. So for Sunday, the first thing that I put down is a half box with a birthday party on it, and I used two balloons from the same kit. I also put down a couple of small header labels. I know some of them are upside down. I covered them with just some random flowers that came with the kit. I just noted things down that went on during the party. You know, I got ready for the party. I got the party ready. I went to pick up the cake, and also that my cousins and I started playing Cards Against Humanity. So I wrote that down. And then the last thing that I had was that we drove home. So yeah, that's it. That's all I have for this week's plan with me. I hope you guys like it. As you can see here, I'm decorating the open spots of the week that I had with um, deco that came with the kit. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.